अस्सलाम वालेकुम। एएस अकेडमी में खुशामदीद। मैं हूं अरसलान और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कंप्यूटर और इंटरनेट से जुड़े हुए ऐसे 50 एमसीक्यूज़ के बारे में जो हर बार पेपर्स में रिपीट होते हैं, चाहे वो एफपीएससी हो, पीपीएससी हो या किसी भी तरह के इम्तिहान हो, उसमें वो बार बार सवाल आते रहते हैं। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। अब टाइम को ज़ाया किए बिना हम चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। 50 important MCQs about computer and internet. Question number 1. Who is the developer of computer? Number 1. Dennis Ritchie. B. James Gosling. Charles Babbage. Ray Tomlinson. So right answer is C. Charles Babbage. Question number 2. The smallest unit of data in computer is bit, nibble, KB, byte. Right answer is A, bit. Third is, in computer system, 1 nibble equal to 1 bit, 8 bytes, 4 bits, 1 KB. So right answer is C, 4 bits. Question number 4. 1 byte equal to 4 bits, 1 nibble, 8 bits and none. So right answer is C, 8 bit. Question number 5. How many parts are there in CPU? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right answer is B, 2. The brain of any computer system is CU, ALU, CPU and memory. Right answer is CPU. How many computer generations are there? 1, 2, 4, 5. Right answer is D, 5. In memory, full name of KB is nobyte, newbyte, kilobyte or kilobit. So right answer is D, kilobyte. Question number 9. 1 KB equal to 1000 byte, 1024 byte, 1 MB. Number D is none. So right answer is 1024 byte. Question number 10. How many types of memory? 1, 2, 3, 4. So right answer is B. Question number 11. Which of the following is the example of volatile memory? Number 1. A is ROM, RAM, primary and secondary. So right answer is B, RAM. RAM stand for rate access memory, random access memory, both A and B, and number D is none. So right answer is B, random access memory. Which of one of the following is the example of input device? Right answer is keyboard, mouse, scanner, all of the above. So right answer is D, all of the above. Question number 14. CPU consists of ALU plus CU, RAM plus CU, ROM plus ALU and ROM plus CU. So right answer is A. How many keys are in keyboards? Number A, 101, 102, 103 and 104. So right answer is D. Which web browser was developed by Google? Right. Number 1, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari. Right answer is Chrome. Who is the father of email? A. Ray Tomlinson. B. Tim Berners-Lee. C. Charles Babbage, and D. Paul Batchett. So right answer is A. Ray Tomlinson. Question number 18. Types of RAM is SRAM, DRAM, both A and B, none. So right answer is both A and B. Question number 19. Which of the following example of operating system? Number A. Windows, Linux, MS Word, all of the above. Right answer is all of the above. What is the use of shift plus delete? For permanent, for temporary, for backup? D is none. So right answer is A. The two kind of main memory, RAM and ROM, CD and DVD, primary and secondary, and none. So right answer is A. 22 is CD-ROM is a primary memory, secondary memory, memory register, and none of this. So right answer is B. Email stand for exact mail, external mail, electronic mail, and none. So right answer is C. Electronic mail. What is the full form of Gmail? A is Great Mail, B. Graphic Mail, C. Google Mail, D. None. Right answer is C. Which program manage all the jobs of a computer? Desktop, screensaver, operating system, and none. So right answer is C. Who is the father of internet? Charles Babbage, Tim Berners-Lee, Vint Cerf, and D is none. So right answer is C. What is the full form of DNS? Disk name system, domain name system, domain number system, and domain name signal. So right answer is B. Which of the following countries has the largest number of internet users? USA, China, India, and Russia. Right answer is B. China. Which protocol helps the transforming files between computer? FTP, HTTP, HTTP, and FTTP. Right answer is A. FTP stand for File Text Processing, Fast Transmission Process, File Transfer Protocol, and File Transfer Program. So right answer is C. Who is the father of email? Ray Tomlinson, Tim Berners, Paul Batchett, and none. So right answer is C. How much data can be stored in a CD? 500 MB, 600 MB, and 700 MB, and 1 GB. Right answer is C. The length of IP address is 16 bits, 32 bits, 64 bits, and 128 bits. Right answer is B. MAC stand for Media Access Control, Media Access Cancel, Memory Access Control, none. So right answer is A. Media Access Control. The length of MAC address is 32 bits, 48 bits, 64 bits, 128 bits. Right answer is B. Example of operating system is Apple, Linux, Microsoft, and none. So right answer is B. Linux. Which one of the following is not an operating system? Windows, Linux, Android, and Oracle. So right answer is B. What was the name of first computer? ENIAC, param, and none of these. So right answer is A. The first computer network is LAN, WAN, ARPANET, and D. So right answer is C. Who is the developer of mouse? Dennis Ritchie, Douglas Engelbert, Christopher Latham, and D. Charles Babbage. So right answer is B. Who is the developer of keyboard? Dennis Ritchie, Douglas Engelbert, Christopher Latham Schultz, and Charles Babbage. So right answer is C. Which one is the most popular keyboard? USB keyboard, QWERTY keyboard, multimedia keyboard, and mechanical keyboard. Right answer is B. www stand for World Whole Web, World Wide Web, Web Worldwide, and Wide Web. So right answer is B. When you delete a file from a computer, where does it go? Hard disk, recycle bin, taskbar, and D, none of this. Right answer is B. How much functions key are in their keyboard? 11, 12, 13, and 14. Right answer is B. Which one of these also known as read-write memory? RAM, ROM, hard disk, and DVD. Right answer is RAM. Which protocol is used for browsing data? TCP, FTP, TFTP, HTTP. Right answer is D. 1 TB equal to A, B, C, and D. Right answer is A, 1000 GB. Arrange the descending order TB, KB, GB, and MB. So right answer is B. USB stand for Universal Sequence Bus. राइट आंसर इज यूनिवर्सल सीरियल बस। उम्मीद है वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। शुक्रिया।